So this is the fuse box that I picked up. It's just an 6-place fuse box. And the way it works is main power comes in here. This wire runs to my number 4, which is my main power switch. So once I hit the power switch, that fuse box is energized. Okay, now all these components are pretty simple. This one here, don't worry about color wiring because that doesn't really matter. But this one here is my push button start switch. This one here is power to the ICM. This one here, which is combined red and whites, goes to regulator rectifier. And this one here is to my fan. That's all that I have powered for this entire bike. Everything else is grounds and combining wires. That is all that is needed to make an 06 VLX600 run.